I'm on a mission to find every bird in the world. So I hopped on a 12-hour overnight bus to the Amazon rainforest.
We just got off the bus. The guy didn't speak any English, but I think we're having breakfast. I don't know where we are. This is paradise.
I had woken up from the worst sleep of my life, grabbed my camera, and wasted no time. Everywhere we looked was a different species of bird. Dude, this is the best, isn't it? Oh yeah. It's the best. We had seen so many new species, and this was just the edge of the rainforest. And we were about to go deeper.